FedEx has been here for a while. This dude has been taking so long with my package, man. I'm getting kind of pissed.
In destinations around the world.
All I'm saying is, if you have a package and you're coming to my house, just make sure you know which package it is. You get what I'm saying? This nigga about to leave. If you stop in front of my house, you better drop a package off, even if it ain't mine. Shut your ass up! Wagwan everybody, it's your boy Omari. Today I'll be working on my Audi. I have not made a vlog in a little while. I actually have a lot of content, I just haven't had the time to edit anything and upload anything. But today I will be putting in new headlights in my Audi, and I sold the previous wheels that I have and purchased new wheels from a BMW. So I have a little surprise for you guys. These wheels are very tough. But first, I'm about to go to Walmart because I need wasp spray and bee spray because I'm allergic. This WAP, damn, this footage is sharp. Golly. There's some good ass footage. You see when you don't cheap out on camera? I'm a cheap ass one. And I did not cheap out on this camera. I can, boy, I can see my pores. Kinda. It's losing focus. Bitch. I paid a lot of money for you. You better regain. Oh, damn, look at that. Still ugly though. Alright. I think I got what I need. I got me the raid. About to kill these hoes on contact, bruh. On contact. So I'm gonna be replacing these headlights. I just do not like these. I've always wanted to change them. I was not gonna pay the amount of money, but the price of the headlights have been reduced, so I just purchased them the moment I saw them being a little lower than they were originally going for. So you'll see the new headlights. So I'm about to open up because I haven't seen them yet. So let me go ahead and look at what these look like. They gave me in a pink wrapper. Okay. I'm not gonna judge it. Fully packaged. Packaged pretty well too.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!
Oh man, yo, look at these. So these are the new headlights that will be going into the Audi. I thought they were gonna be too much, like looking at them, you know, online, but seeing them in person, these are perfect. They have a nice neon tube going around. They have some LED bulbs right here. You know, they have the orange bulb. I might change that orange bulb out so it can be nice and clear, but this is very nice, yo. This is gonna accent my front end for the car so much. I had previously taken out my headlights to do some cleaning and some other things, and my headlights were not this heavy. These headlights are very heavy compared to the factory headlights. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in, and then we'll see how it looks after I am finished. So I was trying to be proactive, and I ended up, well, I did this, but I think I did this like the last time after taking it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably grind this out. So what I've been taught by my dad is if you have like a bolt that's cross-threaded or whatever, and you don't have the proper tool, grind a straight line in the middle of the bolt, and then put a flathead in that straight line and try and twist it out. Safety first. So what you do is, as I said, you draw a straight line right here, if you can tell, and then get a screwdriver, and then once you install the screwdriver and you spin it, it will work its way out. And that's just if you have a spare to work with, because you don't want, if this part needs to be replaced, then you damage a screw. But I mean, you can reuse this. Just ensure that you put probably PB blaster or anti-seize behind the bolt. But you know, this was probably rusted out because, you know, water or whatever. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and spray this with some PB blaster and probably use some anti-seize. But there you go, we got it out. All you do, cut the slice right in the middle, and then you should be good to go.
You look like a damn fool.
So Audi is pretty weird with their installation for these headlights. So after you get these two bolts out, you have to get a T30 bit. Well, these are T30 bits as well, but you have to get another T30 bit, or the same one you use. Just make sure it's long enough to get down. There's this T30 nut bolt that's down here in this little tiny hole. So this hole right here, there's a little bolt down in there, same hex star head as these ones up here, but it's very hard to get to, and if you don't know, you might try to pull the headlight out and break it. So as you can see, I got the other side out. Let me show you. So if you look right here, that's where the hole meets that area. So you have to have something long enough to stretch from here to here and ensure it doesn't fall, because if you don't have everything taken out, like me, my car is pretty slammed. So because it's pretty slammed, I took out all the protective guard and stuff. So just ensure that you be mindful of ensuring that it stays. I have a contraption here. I use these duct tape. So I put duct tape on top of a extender, on top of another extender and a T30 bit, and when I put it in, it's the perfect fit.
That's what she said.
Here is the finished product for these headlights. I am so in love. All I have left to do is my front splitter, which I'm going to be making soon, and the front end will look pretty decent. That's not the end of the video. I actually have one more thing that I need to show you guys, and these are the new wheels for the E36. So here are the new wheels for the E36. This is just one. I just took one out. These are BBS RS2s. I got them for a steal. I got them from a steal from my boy Ronnie. Ronnie had these for his E46 build, but I guess he lost interest in the build and just had the wheels sitting. So I made him an offer, he took it, and now the wheels are mine. So these will be going on the E36 alongside. I'm going to be putting on fender flares, obviously, because these wheels are very wide. These wheels are 18 by 10 in the front, and I think that's +6, or yeah, something like that, and then 18 by 12 in the rear. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe to my channel. It's Omari McGregor. Obviously, if you're watching this video, all you have to do is just hit subscribe. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the love. Peace.